Can you please tell us your name, your work status, position, year graduated, and how many years of working?
My name is Samsheva Ferlino. My working status is as a service crew. Year graduated year 2023. Sorry, 2024. The
And how many years of working?
many years of working is almost 11 years.
Second question. So after your graduation, what opportunities you found?
My opportunities I found they are in my work. In my OGT days, they give me a chance to work in this hotel, and that's all.
How do you think you have performed your job industry?
I think I performed well the way how I talk into the customer or the guest, and that's all.
What challenges you encountered in the hotel industry?
The challenges I encountered is how to how to be patient to your customer and how to be treat to your customer and the attitude of the customer.
Question number 5. What experiences or lesson from your old school that helped your job?
The lesson that I learned from my school.
As employee working, what characteristic or attribute that you share in the industry?
I can share the following characteristic of attributes that valuable in the industry are positive attitude, proactivity, self-awareness, resilience, and humility.
Seventh question. As a graduated student, what thoughts you've shared to us? As a graduated student, what thoughts you've shared to us?
The thought that I shared is time management and prioritization, balancing academics, extracurricular activity, and personal life taught me the value of effective time.
Question number 8. This year, 2025, what is